This is the summary of chapter 2 fractions. What is meant by fraction? A fraction is a number which can be written in the form a by b where a and b are natural numbers. The number a is known as the numerator and b is called the denominator. Proper fractions. If the numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator, then it is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 6 by 7, 3 by 13. These are the examples of proper fractions. Improper fractions. If the numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to the denominator, then it is called an improper fraction. In other words, a fraction which is not a proper is called an improper fraction. For example, 7 by 4, 11 by 6, 5 by 5, 15 by 8. These are called improper fractions. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 7 and 1 by 2, 5 and 2 by 3, etc. Like fractions. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. These denominators are equal. These are called like fractions. Unlike fractions. The fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. 3 by 7, 3 by 5, 3 by 11, etc. are examples of unlike fractions. Unit fractions. The fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, etc. are examples of unit fractions. These are the sums of fractions. Arrange 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 9 by 21 in descending order. For writing the fractions in descending order, first you have to take the LCM of the denominators. 9, 3, 21. Will divide with 3. 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja. 3 into 3 into 7. What will be the LCM? 63. You have to equal each denominator to that LCM. Means first take the fraction 2 by 9. 9 7 ja 63. Like that 2 also you have to multiply with 7. 2 7 ja 14, 9 7 ja 63. 14 by 63. Next take 2 by 3. 3 how much ja 63? 3 21 ja. 2 also you have to multiply with 21. Then 42 by 63 will come. 9 by 21. 21 3 ja. 9 also you have to multiply with 3. 27 by 63. Now you can check all the denominators are equal. That is 63 equal to the LCM. Now you can compare, if the denominators are equal, you can compare the numerators. So 42 greater than 27 greater than 14. 42 belongs to 2 by 3 and 27 belongs to 9 by 21 and 14 belongs to 2 by 9. So you can write as 2 by 3 greater than 9 by 21 greater than 2 by 9. In this way you can write ascending order also. Next one, a rectangular sheet of paper is 11 and 1 by 2 centimeters long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. You know perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. In that 2 write as it is, in bracket length place you can write 11 and 1 by 2 plus breadth place you can write 10 and 2 by 3. First you have to add them inside. You will get 23 by 2 plus 32 by 3 if you change that mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now take the LCM of 2 and 3. 6 will come. Now 2 how much the 6? 3. The 3 into 23 you have to multiply. Plus 3 how much the 6? 2. The 2 into 32 you will multiply. So 69 plus 64 by 6 will come. Now you have to add them. 133 by 6 will come. Now you can simplify 2 and 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So 133 by 3 will come. You can change it into mixed fraction. 44 and 1 by 3 centimeters will come. That is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Next one, these are the examples of addition. Simplify 2 and 4 by 15 plus 4 and 7 by 10 plus 2 and 3 by 5. First change them into improper fractions. 15 2 ja 30, 30 plus 4, 34 by 15 plus 10 4 ja 40 plus 7, 47 by 10 plus 5 2 ja 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. You have to take the LCM of 15, 10, 5. That 3 will divisible by 5. 5 3s are 5 2s are 5 1s are. You have to multiply 5 into 3 into 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. LCM is 30. Now draw a line down of the denominators, write down 30. Now you have to divide each denominator and that LCM. 30 divided by 15, 2. 2 into 34 you have to multiply. Plus 10, how much the 33? 3 into 47 you have to multiply. Plus 5, how much the 36? 6 into 13 you have to multiply. Now 2 into 34, 68. Plus 3 into 47, 141. Plus 6 into 13, 78 by 30. Now you have to add all the numerators. You will get 287 by 30. That is the answer. You can write it as in mixed fraction also. Another example, 7 and 5 by 6 minus 4 and 3 by 8 plus 2 and 7 by 12. This one also you have to change the three mixed fractions into improper fractions. 47 by 6 minus 35 by 8 plus 31 by 12 will come. Now you have to take the LCM of 6, 8, 12. That 3 will come in 2 table. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 6s are. You have to divide with 3. 3 1s are 4, write as it is. 3 2s are 6. Now you can divide them with 2. 2, 1 write as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now you have to multiply 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 is the LCM. Draw a line and write down 24. Now you have to divide each denominator with that LCM. 6, how much the 24? 4. That 4 into numerator 47 minus 8 3s are 24. That 3 into 35 plus 12 2s are 24. That 2 into 31. Now you have to multiply 4 into 47 188 minus keep as it is 3 into 35 105 plus keep as it is 2 into 31 62. Keep as it is by 24. Now 188 keep as it is minus 105 plus 62. If you do simplification you will get minus 43. One negative, one positive. If you subtract you have to keep big number sign and you have to subtract. Minus 43 by 24 will come. So 188 minus 43 will get 145 by 24. In this way you have to do addition and subtraction also. Next one, multiplication. Multiplication rules. There is a simple way to multiply a fraction by a whole number. You just need to multiply the numerator of the fraction by the whole number and the denominator remains unchanged. For example, 2 by 5 into 3. If no denominator means that number belongs to that whole number belongs to numerator. So you can multiply with the numerator. 2 3s are 6 by 5. If we have to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number, first we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then proceed as above. For example, 3 and 1 by 4 into 2, first change it into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 into 2. That 2 belongs to numerator. 13 2s are 13. 2 also you can cancel. In that way also you can do. Otherwise 13 2s are 26 by 4. Then you can simplify. Here they did 2 1s are 2 2s are. What is left? 13 by 2. Likewise, to mixed fraction, two mixed fractions can be multiplied by convert them into improper fractions. For example, 1 and 1 by 2 and 2 and 3 by 4. If you want to multiply, first change them into improper fractions. Then if you if you can simplify any numerator and any denominator, you can simplify. Otherwise, you can multiply both denominators and both numerators. 3 11 ja 33 and 2 4 ja 8. To find the fraction of a fraction, we proceed as follows. 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Replace of by into sign and proceed as above. In off place, you can keep into and you can do as above. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a non-zero fraction may be obtained by the interchanging its numerator and denominator. For example, multiplicative inverse of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. These are the examples of multiplication. Multiplication of fractions. Multiply and reduce to the lowest term. 4 by 5 and 2 by 7. You can multiply 4 by 5 into 2 by 7. You can't simplify with any numerator and denominator. So you can multiply both numerators and both denominators. 4 2s are 8, 5 7s are 35. 2 and 1 by 4 and 1 and 3 by 4. Change them into improper fractions. Here also you can't simplify. So multiply both numerators and both denominators. 63 by 16 will come. Another one, 4 and 3 by 4 and 3 and 1 by 2. If you change into improper fractions, you will get 19 by 4 and 7 by 2. Here also you can't simplify. So multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. D sum also 11 by 3 and 5 by 6. Here also you can't simplify. 11 5s are 55, 3 6s are 18. Another example, they have given two sides, some fractions. They asked to keep in that box greater than or less than symbol. 3 by 4 of 6 by 7, 1 by 2 of 15 by 16. They are asking to keep greater than or less than symbol in that box. So you have to do separate multiplication. After that you have to compare. 3 by 4 into half place you have to keep into 6 by 7. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 9 by 14 will come. Here 1 by 2 into 15 by 16. Here you can't simplify. So 1 into 15 15 by 2 16 are 32. Now you have to compare 9 by 14 and 15 by 32. What you will do? You have to multiply. For comparing, you have to do cross multiplication. First fraction numerator and second fraction denominator you have to multiply and you have to write the first fraction down. 9 into 32. Likewise, second fraction numerator and first fraction denominator you have to multiply. 15 into 14. So 9 32s are 288. 15 14s are 210. Which is greater? 288. 288 belongs 9 by 14 here. So 288 is greater than 210. So 9 by 14 greater than 15 by 32. Likewise, you have to do second sum also, B sum also. Next, by what number should 4 and 3 by 4 be multiplied to get 6 and 1 by 4? You don't know what you have to multiply to 4 and 3 by 4 to get 6 and 1 by 4. So you have to take the number as x. According to the question, 4 and 3 by 4 into x equal to 6 and 1 by 4. You have to find here x value. So x keep as it is, equal to sign keep as it is, 6 and 1 by 4 keep as it is. Here 4 and 3 by 4 is multiplying left side. If you send it to right side equal to, after that into will become divide and 4 by 3 write as it is. Now 25 by 4 keep as it is, divide will become into 19 by 4 reciprocal you have to write. 4 by 19. 4 4 you can cancel. So x value will be 25 by 19. So you have to multiply 4 and 3 by 4 with 25 by 19 to get 6 and 1 by 4. You can check also. Instead of x place you can keep 25 by 15. If you multiply you will get 25 by 4. If you want to change into mixed fraction, you will get 6 and 1 by 4. Means you did the correct way. Next one, division rules. To divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. To divide a fraction by a non-zero whole number, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. To divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the fraction by which it is to be divided. Note, in division of mixed fractions are involved, we first convert them mixed fraction into improper fraction and then proceed as explained above. For example, these are the examples of division. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. 3 and 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. Change them into improper fraction. 13 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. 13 by 4 keep as it is. Divide will become into second number reciprocal you have to write. Here you can't simplify. So multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Second sum also 7 by 8 divided by 4 and 1 by 2. 7 by 8 keep as it is. Keep division symbol. 4 and 1 by 2 change it into improper fraction. So 7 by 8 keep as it is. Divide will become into 9 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 9. Here you can simplify 2 and 8. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Now 7 1 ja 7 by 4 9 ja 36 will come. Next 3 and 7 by 15 divided by 2 and 3 by 5. So 52 by 15 divided by 13 by 5. 52 by 15 keep as it is. Divide will become into second number reciprocal. After that you can simplify 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 13 1 ja 13 4 ja. So what will be left? 4 by 3. That is the answer. Next one. The cost of 4 and 3 by 4 kg apples is 300 rupees. What is the rate of apples per kg? Cost of 4 and 3 by 4 apples 300 rupees. Cost of 1 kg apple 300 rupees divided by 4 and 3 by 4. 300 keep as it is. Divide will become into 19 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 19. So you can't simplify here. So 300 into 4, 1200 by 90 will come. Change it into mixed fraction. 63 and 3 by 19 will come. So cost of 1 kg apple equal to 63 and 3 by 19. Next one. A bucket contains 18 liters of water. How many 3 by 5 liters jugs can be filled from the bucket? What is the capacity of the bucket? 18 liters. What is the capacity of the jug? 3 by 5 liters. They are asking with 3 by 5 liters of jug, how many jugs you can fill 18 liters of water. So number of jugs can be filled equal to 18 liters divided by 3 by 5 liters. 18 keep as it is. Divide will become into 3 by 5 will become 5 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 6 ja 6 5 ja 30. So you can fill 30 jugs. Next one. By what fraction should 5 and 3 by 7 be divided to get 4 by 7? Means you have to understand here what number, what divisor you have to take to divide 5 and 3 by 7 to get 4 by 7. You don't know. So let the number x. 5 and 3 by 7 divided by x equal to 4 by 7. 38 by 7 divided by x equal to 4 by 7. 38 by 7 keep as it is. Divide will become into x will be reciprocal of x is 1 by x equal to 4 by 7. 1 by x keep as it is. 4 by 7 keep as it is. Here 38 by 7 is multiplying. If you send right side, it will become division. Division of 38 by 7. 1 by x equal to 4 by 7. Divide will become into 38 by 7 reciprocal 7 by 38. 7 7 cancel. 1 by x value 4 by 38. 4 by 38 you can simplify with 2. 2 2s are 2 19 ja. 1 by x will be 2 by 19. But you have to find x value. So x means you have to write the reciprocal of 2 by 19. That is 19 by 2. So 5 and 3 by 7 be divided with 19 by 2 to get 4 by 7. You can check also, instead of x place you can write 19 by 2. 5 and 3 by 7 divided by 19 by 2. 38 by 7 divided by 19 by 2. 38 by 7 keep as it is, divide will become into 2 by 19. 19 1 ja, 19 2 ja. So what is left? 2 into 2, 4 by 7. That is the answer. Next, order of operations. The result, the rules that we follow to decide the order of operations with integers are also true in calculations involving the fractions. We first solve the expressions inside the brackets. If there are brackets inside other brackets, do calculation in the innermost bracket first and then proceed. In the calculation contains any combination of addition and or subtraction together with division and or multiplication. Then we first do all the divisions and or multiplications before the additions and or subtractions, or one can simply follow the order given in BODMAS. Use the correct order of operations to calculate. 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. First you have to simplify division. So 2 plus, keep as it is, 1 by 2 keep as it is. The divide symbol will become into 1 by 3, reciprocal will be 3 by 1 minus 1 by 5. Now you have to multiply. 2 plus 3 1 ja, 3 by 2 minus 1 by 5. 2 and 5 LCM will be 10. Here no denominator means directly you can multiply 2 and 10. 2 10s are 20 plus 2 5s are 10. 5 into 3 15 minus 5. How much the 10? 2. 2 into numerator 1 2. So 20 plus 15 minus 2. 20 plus 15 35 minus 2 by 10, that equal to 33 by 2. Next another one, 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. First you have to simplify division also. 1 by 3 into divide will become into reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Take LCM 12, then 8 plus 3 will come. Add the 2, 11 by 12 is the answer. Next, 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2. You have to simplify what is there in the brackets first. So, take 2 as the LCM. 2 3 is a 6 plus 2 1 is 2, 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 will be the LCM. 2 2 is a 4 minus 2. How much the 2? 1. 1 into 1 1. So in first bracket you will get 7 by 2. In second bracket you will get 3 by 2. In the middle division symbol is there. So first fraction keep as it is, divide will become into second number reciprocal you have to write. 2 2 can be cancelled. What will be the left? 7 by 3. That is the answer. Next, 5 and 1 by 2 into 4 and 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. They gave in the bracket. After that they kept division symbol and they have given 2 and 1 by 3. First you have to change them into improper fractions. Now you have to solve what is there in the bracket. In brackets they have given minus sign. So 9 by 2 minus 7 by 2 you will get 2 by 2. 11 by 2 and 2 by 2 between into is there. 2 by 2 and 7 by 3 between division symbol is there. So first you have to solve division. 11 by 2 into 2 by 2, divide will become into 7 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 7. Now you can simplify in both ways. 2 2 you can cancel and 11 3s are 33 by 2 7s are 14 will come. Otherwise first you can multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now you can simplify 2 1s are 2 3s are. Then also you will get 11 3s are 33 by 14 will come. Thank you.